Hello, it is a question related to definite integral. We have to evaluate the given integral. Let it be equal to I. Let I is equal to integration upper limit pi, lower limit 0, x divided by 1 plus sin x dx. Now using property 1, limit a to 0 function x dx is equal to integration of limit a to 0 function a minus x dx. So if this is equation 3, then I may be written as I is equal to limit pi to 0 pi minus x, because in place of x we may write a minus x, so this will be pi minus x divided by 1 plus sine pi minus x dx. Now we know sine pi minus theta is equal to sine theta. We know formula sine pi minus theta is equal to sine theta. So this may be using this formula. Using this formula here, the I may be written as integration pi to 0 pi minus x divided by 1 plus sin x dx. This is equation 4. Now adding equation 3 and 4. Adding equation 3 and 4. 2i may be written as 2i is equal to limit pi to 0 x plus pi minus x divided by 1 plus sin x dx. So this may be written as limit pi to 0 pi divided by 1 plus sin x dx. Now this may be written as, we may write it as 2 into pi upon 2 to 0, 2 into pi upon 2 0, pi divided by 1 plus sin x dx. This may be written as pi may take outside, 2 into pi upon 2 divided by 1 upon 1 plus sin x dx. Now using property 2. This may be written as, because function 2a minus x, function pi minus x is equal to, function pi minus x will be 1 upon 1 plus sin pi minus x, because sin pi minus x is equal to sin x, so function pi minus x is equal to function x. Hence we may write it as 2i is equal to pi into 2 may take outside, 2 into limit pi by 2 to 0, 1 upon 1 plus sin x dx. Now we may rationalize denominator, so this may be written as 2 pi into pi upon 2 to 0, 1 minus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x dx. So this may be written as 2i is equal to 2 pi into limit pi by 2 to 0, 1 minus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. This is 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus sin x. So this will be 1 minus sin x divided by cos square x dx. So this may be written as 2 pi limit pi by 2 to 0 sec square x minus sec x into tan x dx. So this may be written as 2 pi into, this may be written as tan x minus sec x limit pi by 2 to 0. So this may be written as 2i is equal to 2 pi into sin x divided by cos x minus 1 divided by cos x limit pi by 2 to 0. So this may be written as 2 pi into minus 1 minus sin x divided by cos x limit pi by 2 to 0. So this may be written as 2 pi into minus 2 pi into minus 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x 2 pi into divided by cos x into 1 plus sin x limit pi by 2 to 0. So this may be 2i may be written as 2 pi into 2i may be written as 2i into 2 pi minus cos square x minus cos x divided by 1 plus sin x, limit pi by 2 to 0. So it will be 2 pi into 0 plus 1. So it will be equal to 2 pi. So I will be equal to pi. This is the required answer. Thank you.